boys and girls. We are getting ready to go on an adventure to learn about how different places around the world celebrate holidays in the winter. Most of us here celebrate Christmas, but not everyone celebrates Christmas. So we are going to pack our suitcase and we're going to go on an adventure to learn about the different holidays that people celebrate around the world. And unfortunately, we don't have enough time to learn about all of the holidays, so we're only going to touch on a couple. So I want you to know that there's more ways and more holidays that are celebrated around the world at this time, but we're only going to do a few. So what I'm first doing is I'm taking my suitcase template and I'm cutting it out as best as I can. And I want you to do the same as well. If you need to pause the video so that way you can do that, that is fine. We're going to use our suitcase kind of like a passport. A passport is what a person has when they travel to a different country. It has their information in it, it has their picture, and it is a way to identify them. We're not going to put that kind of stuff on our suitcase. But another thing that is on passports is stamps. Every country that you go to, you get to get a different stamp. And that's kind of what we're going to put. We're going to put our version of stamps on our suitcase. And when we go to visit our first place, I'll show you how to do that. But I wanted to let you know what we're going to put on the outside. So today you're going to need your suitcase template and your brown piece of construction paper. The first thing that we're going to do, building our suitcase is going to be so easy. The first thing that we're going to do is line up our corners, and then I'm going to put it on a flat surface. Let's see if I can do this. I'm going to put it on a flat surface and pull my fingers down to make a crease and go across. So really, all I did was fold my paper in half. You might ask a parent or an adult to help you, but you want to staple the sides closed because we're going to be putting things inside our suitcase. So a couple staples to hold it closed. Maybe not one super close to the top, just so that way you don't rip it trying to put your goodies inside. And then switch to the other side and put a couple staples in it. All right, so my folded side of my suitcase is at the bottom. I have staples on both sides, and then I can open my suitcase. My opening is at the top. I'm going to use a glue stick, and I'm going to put glue on the back of my suitcase template, and the handle goes towards the top. Let's see if I can do this. And I'm going to glue it on the front. So this is going to be my suitcase. Now, once you get this cut out and glued onto your brown piece of construction paper, I want you to color it and decorate it and make it yours, okay? Know that we are going to be gluing labels and stickers onto our suitcase, but I want you to decorate your suitcase. We don't like going on vacation with a boring suitcase. We want it to be snazzy. So today for your art project, I want you to decorate your suitcase, okay? Bring your suitcase with you to our meeting tomorrow and your ticket to the Polar Express. You will need it to enter our meeting tomorrow. I hope that you are excited for this adventure. I sure am. Bye, friends.